Hi, I quickly will be showing you how to make payments with bank transfer using Wave. From my dashboard, I'll be moving to my unpaid invoices. Where I can select the invoice I want to make payments for. Currently, it is the first invoice, which is unpaid. It then takes me to my invoice dashboard where I can proceed to pay. I can see my invoice number. I can also see my invoice items, which are the descriptions of what I am making payments for. In this case, it's an ad funds invoice of 100 naira. On this side of the invoice, I can see my payments method, which has pay, stack, Rave, and Clomb. But currently, I want to be paying with Rave, which is my current payments method. So I'll just proceed instead of changing. I'll click on Pay Now. I've been given the bank transfer option to make payments, but in case you're met with the card option, you can just change it to bank transfer or any other method you prefer. An account number has been generated on my screen, a one-time account number. It is written here that the account details is only valid for this specific transaction and it will expire by 1:52 p.m. today. So I have to quickly make this transfer as soon as I can with my phone. It is important to note that you are to transfer this exact amount while making the transfer, nothing less and nothing more. My destination account is named Whogohost Limited FLW, which is Wave. Once I receive an alert that my transfer is successful, I'll click on I have made this bank transfer. It is good practice to wait while the whole processes are ongoing till it's done. It shouldn't take up to 4 minutes 26 seconds, so please wait on this tab. Automatically this page will reload, and my invoice is marked as paid. Now I'll go back to my client area to see if the funds of 100 naira has been added to my account. That's to the wallet in my account. Yes, if you remember at the beginning of the video, I had 300 naira. Now I'm seeing 400 naira. So my payment was very successful. Thank you and see you next time.